Hello, everybody. Gbenga Olatunji here. Sources of financial reporting regulations under financial reporting. We'll be looking at the sources, the three sources precisely of the financial reporting regulation. Because the end users, the broad spectrum of users of financial information and financial statements rely heavily on the integrity of the financial statement. It is important that financial statement and financial world should be regulated, and this is one of the reasons financial regulation is in existence. Some other reasons before we quickly go into the sources of financial reporting regulation, because the